Oh my God, bro.
Oh, hell no.
What's up? What's up, YouTube? Tag here. Bro, it's like 4 a.m. in the morning, bro. I can't get any sleep. I can't get any sleep. Well, why aren't you getting any sleep? Why can't you go to bed, Tag? Bro, when I tell you I've been dreaming about my PC parts finally coming in, bro. Like, I closed my eyes for like a good 10 minutes. Bro, school is in 3 days. School is in 3 days. I'm going to bed at 4. Bro, I gotta get up in 4 hours for practice as well. I have training at 8 a.m., dog. What are we talking about? And I'm up at 4 a.m. thinking about PC components. When I tell you, once you freaking get into the world of freaking PC or content creation, you're not gonna be able to sleep. I'm over here thinking about how I can manage my finances to get the latest GPU. I'm over here trying to figure out if I should go ahead and spend the money to future-proof my motherboard by getting the X870E. Like, should I get the MSI X870E, bro? I don't know. Why am I recording this at 4 a.m.? I don't know either. Honestly, I should be going to bed. But, yeah. I just thought I'd make this freaking... I don't know what I'm going to name my next video. It's probably going to be something like building my first PC or something. But, yeah. Don't mind my hair, bro. Don't mind my hair. But, yeah. Stay tuned, bro. We're going to be building my first ever PC in a few days. I just wanted to record this, have something to post. Before I was rudely interrupted by my iPhone, I was saying, I don't know what I was saying. I don't know what I was saying, actually. Don't ever record off your iPhone, bro. Unless you absolutely can. Bro, I've lost so much footage dealing with this iPhone. It's ridiculous. Do I look sleepy to you guys? Let me know, bro. My 12 subscribers, let me know, dog. Because low-key, I low-key am a little pissed. Let me go to bed, bro. I gotta go to bed. But, yeah, I just want to get on here and let you guys know. PC building coming up pretty soon. Getting this out there. It's been like 3 days since my last post.
Nope.
Pop it up right there. Pop, pop, boom, bada bink, bam. Yeah. So I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys in a little bit. What is this? I gotta deal with that. Make sure to slice that like button. And until next time. It's freaking 4 a.m. bro. What am I doing? I'm looking at myself, by the way. You boy look good.
Nope.
Situations bring you back to me. Oh, love is never break off. I guess you won't, that's all. On my head, you say that I'm dying to forget a bit